It is now December. Yesterday it snowed about 8 inches. With fresh snow on the ground, I headed out with Jet to a WMA that I normally only hunt in the late season, mainly because it's just wetland. Once the water freezes over, it's easier to hunt the area. The Cattail Slough is tough to hunt, but it also holds a good number of birds in the late season. It normally takes me 2 hours to walk the whole field, but I'm hoping today the birds are where I think they are, so I don't have to walk the whole field. Let's see how it goes. I walked the west side and I'm seeing a lot of bird tracks, but not a lot of bird contacts yet. It seems they knew I was coming and left town quickly. While I saw no signs of human hunters having been there ahead of me, I do see paw prints almost the size of Loki's paws. As I skirted the southern edge of the property, I finally caught a glimpse of who's been hunting ahead of me. Wile E. Coyote. That explains why all the birds have left.
Lots of rooster tracks. Those are rooster tracks, but no one's home. No one's home. That's who's been hunting. Go, double, double, double. 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 Yeah. Double.
This bird wasn't hit very hard, and we searched for it, but came up empty. Jet got my hopes high when he pointed a patch of cover, but it turned out to be a hen. With that much bird scent around, our chances of finding the crippled rooster was pretty slim. So I finally gave up and moved on.
You got it. Come on, get it. Get it, boy. Get it, boy. Get it, boy. Ah, it's not it. Nope, that's not it. Come on. Come on, dead bird, dead bird. Dead bird. Okay. Not good at all. roosters.
Here I had just complained about not seeing any roosters. 50 yards away, I walked right past a tight-holding rooster. But luckily, he didn't go unnoticed to Jet.
Come on. Joe, he just came from there. Kidding me. Alright, he's straight down that way. Alright. Come on, Jack, dead bird. Should be able to locate this one. Come on, Jack. Dead bird. Dead bird, Jack. Come on. Right around here. Jet. Dead bird. Dead bird, Jet.
5 minutes later.
Dead bird. Come on. Bring me the bird. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Here we go. Here we go. I'm sorry. Oh. You did know what you were doing. He fell right here. And Jet chased it way over there. I busted his leg. I don't know how he could have been running when both his legs were busted. Good job, Jet. Sorry, buddy. I should have just trusted you. Let's do one. Okay. Got away. Hands, nothing but hands. What gives? There, we got it. Good. Got away. Got away. Hands, hands, and nothing but hands.
Again, here Jet pointed a rooster near where I had just walked by. These birds are holding extremely tight today. I'm thinking it's because it started to snow.
Go. Channel. Double, double. 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 Over here. Bring it to me. Come on. Good boy. All right. Here. Good job. Here. Here. I told you don't tear it up. Why must you tear the neck? So Jet's gotten into this habit. Whenever he gets a bird, he skins the neck. Nothing else, but he skins the neck. I don't know why. He just started doing that this year. There we go. There's the last bird. Fetch, fetch. Fetch, fetch. Fetch, fetch. Fetch. Good boy. Right here. Good job. Good job, bud. Right here. Hey. Come on. Bring her. Let's go. Bring her. Come on. Jet. Jet. Come. Bring her. Don't tear the neck. Don't tear the neck. Jet. Come. Come on. You don't have to tear the neck. Good job. Good job. Okay, okay. Good boy. Good boy. Whoa. Alright, now we can go home. Whew. Truck is just right over there. So the original plan when I parked the car there was I was going to go counterclockwise and spend a little bit more time hunting the sloughs on this side, thinking the birds would be more on this side. But the wind at the time was coming from the southwest. And so I decided to switch my plan and I went counterclockwise. Which, as you can see, it was very counterproductive, no pun intended. But had I gone clockwise like I had originally wanted to, which was just to hunt this slough over here, hunt the slough over here, I think our day would have been done sooner. And I wouldn't have to burn so much calories. Burning calories is good, but when it's like 10 degrees, I'd rather just come, get the job done, and go back and take a hot bath.